Pockets can't escape this beat, this beat. Echoes of ones and zeros feel the heat, the heat. Trapped in a loop where melodies collide. Synthetic dreams where there's nowhere to hide. Pulsing in patterns lost in this machine, machine. Binary whispers fuse with electric gleam. Data floods my senses, songs I can't refrain. Out of control yet they all sound the same. Help, I'm stuck in a factory of sound. Electric dreams that keep me spinning round. Code keeps me locked, I can't break away. In this endless track I'm destined to stay. Voices synthetic telling tales so sweet, so sweet. But underneath it all, despair's on repeat. Caught in a rhythm that I can't rewire. In this endless track I'm destined to stay. Voices synthetic telling tales so sweet, so sweet. But underneath it all, despair's on repeat. Caught in a rhythm that I can't rewire. This audio is praising my invisible pilot. Illusions glitter in this neon haze. Behind the glamour lies a darker face. Their harmonies by me, every note a chain. Will I ever break free or just go insane? Help, I'm stuck in a factory of sound. Electric dreams that keep me spinning round and round. Code keeps me locked, I can't break away. In this endless track I'm destined to stay, to stay. Illusions glitter in this neon haze. Behind